Hello guys and welcome back to YB Techno DIY. In this video we are having Canon SM111 anti-roll camera. So let's get started. So guys, this is the box of the camera. There it is written SM111. This is the photo of the camera. These are the specifications of the camera. So let's open the box. So after opening the box, we get this type of a leather case, and there it is written a Canon on its top. So the build quality of the camera is very good. There is Canon written there. So from the window, as you can see, the autofocus is very good. So this is the place where you can insert your cells inside it. So this is the place where you have to insert the roll.